Hi and welcome back. I want you to have a go at these two questions. So they look very similar, however the second one is just in a fraction and the first one is just formed as a linear equation. And pause the video right now and type in your answers in the comment section and then we'll go through these live. Let's see if you could get these correct. So I'll be interested to see, did you get the same answer for both or did you get a slightly different answer? Nice. Okay, hopefully you've had a bit of a go. Let's go through this. So for the first one, we've just got the equation in one line and we've got a few mathematical operations going on here. We've got a division, we've got brackets and a multiplication in there, then we've got a division, then another brackets and then a multiplication. So let's remember our good old acronym BIMDAS, which means we need to do our brackets first. So whatever's inside the bracket, we need to work out first. So we're still left with 6 over here, and then we're going to work out what's in the bracket. And we have 8 times 3, which is 18. And then over here, you have 6 divided by 6, which is 1 times 3. And now we could actually get rid of the brackets because we've worked out that. Okay, so now we've got a division and multiplication. So multiplication and division appear here in BIMDAS, but when you've got both multiplication and division, you actually just work from left to right. So we just work out what 6 divided by 18 is, which is 1 over 3. And then you've got divide, and then you've got divide by 1 times by 3. And remember, we're going left to right. So 1 on 3 divided by 1 is quite easy, but let me just quickly show you how you would divide fractions. So as a whole number, you could just write 1 and put it over 1, because any fraction could be written over 1. So whenever we're dividing fractions, even though this is super simple, I just want to show you what you do. You flip the second fraction, which means you could change that sign. So this would be 1 on 3 times 1 on 1. Remember, we still have this times 3 outside. And then you just do numerator times numerator, so top times top, over bottom times bottom. And so we're left with a third times 3. And remember, to multiply fractions, whole numbers, you just put it over 1. And then top times top over bottom times bottom. And 3 on 3 is 1. So, blue tick, triple trick if you got that correct. So the answer for the first one is 1. How about this second one? Let's copy it onto a new page so we have a bit of space. Copy, paste. So, similar sort of thing, but in this case, what we need to do actually is BIMDAS on the numerator, BIMDAS on the denominator, and then divide the two. So let's do that. So hopefully you're getting the hang of this now. You need to work out what your brackets is first according to BIMDAS. So we have 6 divided by 18. And same on the bottom. You need to work out what your bracket is there. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. And so you have 1 times 3. 6 divided by 18 is 1 on 3. And 1 times 3 is 3. So we basically have a third divided by 3. Let's write that out. A third divided by 3. And in order to do divide fractions, you just put that over a whole number. And you could flip this and convert that into a times. So we'll just rewrite that. So we still have a third multiplication, and then that second fraction we flip. So it's just a third times a third. Numerator times numerator is 1. Denominator times denominator is 9. So for the second one, you should have got 1 on 9. You get a smiley face if you got that correct. Well done if you understand the difference between those two. Hopefully it makes sense. So when it's written in a line, you just go from left to right. Whereas when it's in a fraction, you do numerator divided by denominator. Hopefully you found that fun and useful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.